In this video, I'm gonna record a step-by-step how I install Docker on my Ubuntu. So first of all, I'll create a new VM. This is the name, which gonna have 4 CPUs, 8 gig of memory, and 16 gig of disk. This is gonna be a new VM. So with this new VM, I'm going to follow the step-by-step instructions from Docker. Docker install. So to install Docker, we're gonna need a new repo for Docker repository, which gonna be a file of which gonna be a file in sources.list.d. And to use this repo, we're gonna need a certificate, which we're gonna need a key file from docker.com, and we're gonna download this file, save this key file, prepare the repo file, then do the install. Okay, my VM is ready. Let's connect to my new VM. By the way, multipass is the tool I'm using to manage my VM on my local laptop. If you want to see more details, I have a separate video for multipass. So this is a new VM. I'm going to update the first. I'm going to install. Second step, we may need to see certificates in the curl. We have to make sure that there's a folder where we're gonna save our key files, which is here. So we download the key file and save it here. My bad. That is not ink. That is the previous command is not complete, so I'll do it again. Okay, the file has been saved here, which is 644. So this file do have read permission for all users. That is fine. So we want to prepare a repo file, which is we create a new repo file. We added this file with content. This. Okay, the key is ready, the repo is ready. Let's update again. And we can install Docker now. Once the Docker is installed, we can check the version. We also want to add our current user into the Docker group so we can run Docker with this user. And we can also run a test container to see if it is working. Okay, Docker installed. Version 28.3.3. Let's do a test run. Hello. Well, no, the user ubuntu is not in Docker group. Let's say user move. So let's add this current user into Docker group. To make this to take effect, we can do a new group Docker and you can see the user ubuntu is in group Docker now. Add the ubuntu it is. Let's run it again. Docker run hello world. Since there's no hello world image, it's gonna download the image first. Pull the hello world image, create a container, stream the output to terminal. So it is working with. Let's have another try with this ubuntu image. So this is the new container. I'll do a cleanup. Anyway, all succeeded. Docker has been installed successfully.